Two friends and a bear. It is proverbial to say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Let's relate the story, Two Friends and a Bear, to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once upon a time there lived two friends in a village. One of them was sharp and selfish, while the other was innocent and selfless. They were living in extreme poverty. One day, they decided to try their luck in some city. They promised to help each other through thick and thin. They set off on a journey to materialize their dreams. They passed through a forest. They covered most of the journey peacefully. Once or twice they were in danger, but they faced the danger bravely. But one incident proved that fair weather friends leave you in trouble. One day when they were passing through a thick part of the forest, they came across a bear. The sharp and selfish friend hurriedly climbed up a tree. He left his friend at the mercy of the bear, but the other one could not find time to save himself. He lay on the ground helplessly and held his breath. He pretended to be dead and started praying to God for his life. The bear sniffed him from head to toe, but he did not move at all. Considering him dead, the bear left him unharmed and went away into the forest. A true friend sticks by us when everybody leaves us. When the bear was well out of sight, the first friend climbed down the tree and came to his friend. He asked him in a mocking tone what the bear had said in his ear. The friend, who was already grieved at the selfishness of his friend, disliked his tone. He replied angrily that the bear had advised him never to trust selfish friends who leave in the lurch. With these words, he said his friend goodbye and went away alone to reach his destination. Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Other possible moral: beware of false, selfish friends.